everyone. We're going to verify this trig identity, and I have a little error here. This should be cube. So this should be a cube. I had it as a square. So just remember we're supposed to have, let me write it. We're supposed to get 1 plus sine of theta divided by cosine cubed of theta. All right, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and write this out. Secant of theta divided by 1 minus sine of theta. Now to get our desired result, we have to keep looking at what we want. So I know secant of theta is 1 divided by cosine of theta. So what I'm going to do is multiply the denominator by its conjugate because I want to get a cosine. So the conjugate of 1 minus sine of theta is 1 plus sine of theta. You also have to multiply your numerator by 1 plus sine of theta. Now, this is going to equal secant of theta times 1 plus sine of theta. So we have our 1 plus sine of theta. That's what we needed. When you get into these harder ones, you have to kind of force it by multiplying. Now, the denominator is just going to be 1 minus sine squared of theta. This is your a minus b times a plus b formula. Gives you a squared minus b squared. We know this is cosine squared based off our Pythagorean identities. Now, what I'm going to do is write this as 1 divided by cosine. So it's 1 divided by cosine. You could have done that earlier. Times 1 plus sine of theta divided by, and this equals cosine squared. So finally, when you multiply across, you're going to get 1 plus sine of theta. And when you multiply these two, you get cosine cube theta. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.